Hazrat Ali and Dream. Hazrat Ali bin Abi Talib, God bless his countenance, cousin and son-in-law of God's messenger, upon whom be peace. Seeing him in a dream means victory over one's enemy. Seeing him in a place or a mosque where people are mourning him or performing the funeral prayer on him or carrying his coffin or prostrating to him in a dream means becoming a Shia'it or gathering one's strength for a rebellion or to create divisiveness, or it could mean hypocrisy. If a scholar sees him in a dream, it means that he will earn increased knowledge, asceticism, reverence and strength. Seeing him in a dream also means capture by one's enemy, migrating from one country to another, and mostly to die as a martyr. Seeing Ali in a dream also means having a blessed progeny, vanquishing one's enemy, presiding over the believers, hardships during travels, booty, manifestation of blessings and miracles, acquiring extraordinary knowledge, following the leading practices of God's messenger, upon whom be peace, or fulfillment of one's commands. If one sees him as an old man in a dream, it means establishing a connection with the leadership of the land and profiting from it. Seeing him with wounds over his body in a dream means that one will become subject to people's slander and defamation.